Hi everyone, this is Lisette with Fofucha Dolls. Today I'm going to show you how to create a dimensional arm for your doll using the arm template. Now, I already have a video on how to use this template completely, but today I'm going to show you how to do the dimensional look to the doll. So let's get started. For supplies, you're going to need the medium arm template, flesh color foam sheet, scissors, electrical wire, hot glue, iron, and a piece of fabric. Create the arm using the arm template tool. If you would like to see the video on that demo, just click above on the link. So I'm going to use electrical wire. I like it because it's nice and firm, and this arm we're going to make it movable as well. So you're going to cut a rectangular shape of foam, enough to wrap around the entire arm. You're going to warm it up. Remember, your iron has to be in a cotton setting. Nice and warm. And the sheet will begin to curl. Once it begins to curl, just roll it up. The next step is put a little bit of hot glue in the center of the arm and glue it together. If it's not fully glued together, don't worry. I just want to give it the shape so I could roll the other piece of foam around it. Now, place the curled piece of foam over the arm. And just gently allow it to take shape and just roll it over and roll it under. Now insert an electrical wire. I believe this is 18 gauge and you could find this wire at your local Home Depot or Lowe's. Insert it in the center, and now you're going to glue the edge and let it dry. Now here I need to add a little bit more of glue, and that's okay too. I'm going to wipe off all the excess. Make sure your arm is fully glued together. The arm is fully glued now, and it's bendable, so you could give shape and movement to your doll. Now to make the hand with a little bit of curve, all you need to do is place the hand over a hot iron. Cotton setting is fine. And the little hand will start to curl down. So you could just gently with your hands and fingers, just give it a shape. And you're all set. And here I am wrapping up the other arm. I hope this demo will help you with all your doll making and of course all your Fofuchas. Don't forget to give it a like and also comment below. I would love to hear what you have to say. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget to visit my Etsy shop, follow me on Facebook or Instagram. The links are all in the description box. Thank you again. Until next time, and God bless.